Welcome back to Math Addict 59, my YouTube channel. Plenty of videos to watch. So here's a situation where you were given a function. I don't like purple. Let me get a different color. So in the case of a natural log function, it can be derived that its derivative is 1 over x. Now, if you're in a situation involving a function, the derivative of that function, if you have a natural log function, by the chain rule, you would still apply the derivative of natural log rule, but then you would multiply it by the derivative of the function itself. So just like with any other chain rule situation, you take the derivative of the outside function and then you apply it to the inside function. We won't see a whole lot of logarithm examples, but one example you could run into is the natural log of a square root. What I might end up doing on any natural log of a square root, I would probably at least make it a little less complicated and apply a logarithm property. You might recall from previous classes, the natural log of a number raised to a function raised to a power is the power times natural log a. So when you have that bug going, I would go ahead and make that a constant factor. Now you would have to have a little experience before you get to this. You might want to work on some chain rule problems before you get to this kind of problem. But once you get to that natural log situation, and remember, we're looking for the derivative of it. That's, yes, one of my famous teaching styles. I just turn a problem into another problem. What I need to do is I need to apply the derivative of natural log rule. So based on what we just talked about, where the derivative of natural log I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah. Keep in mind that the derivative of natural log of a function equals 1 over u times the derivative of the function. We're going to apply that model to, in this particular case, it'll be 1/2 the derivative of natural log of x squared plus 1. And that would equal 1/2 times 1 over x squared plus 1, because u is 1 over x squared plus 1. And then we're going to take the derivative of x squared plus 1, which is 2x. Watch for things that cancel out, like the 2's. Watch for things that multiply together, but the answer is x over x squared plus 1. That is the derivative of natural log of square root x plus 1. Tune in for plenty more videos.